I'm in the van at home running a test and trying out a recipe. I'm going to be using an Instant Pot and we're going to saute some hamburger meat. We're starting out at 94% and we're pulling 775 watts. Now that the meat is brown, we're going to turn off the saute and drain the grease from the meat. Now we will add about a half a cup of water. Next, use your favorite spaghetti sauce and we'll add that to the pan. Add about another cup and a half of water to your jar, shake it up, and we'll pour that in with the sauce. Next, break up about a half a box of noodles and add that to the pan. The recipe says just leave the noodles laying on top, do not stir, but I have a little issue with dried noodles just laying on top. I don't know how this is going to work. Okay, we'll put the lid on and give it a try. Set it on pressure cook and we'll go for 8 minutes. Now that it's done, we will turn it off and release the pressure. And now for the moment of truth. It actually looks pretty good, and the directions says to let it set for about 3 to 5 minutes. It'll soak up some of that moisture. So we ended up using about 5% of our batteries to make that pot of spaghetti. I would say it was a pretty good success.